We're the first bank to open on the high street in the UK in over 150 years. Quite recently we just opened our 1 millionth account, so we're growing pretty quickly. We use a lot of Microsoft technologies within Metro Bank. Part of the reason for that is because they connect really well together. Our first product that we used was Dynamic CRM. We've built probably in excess of 100 business processes in there. It's where we hold our single customer view. And then we started to use Power BI to actually then build out business intelligence around what is it that our customers do. And then most recently we've started to use PowerApps. The ability to build an app within the space of a few days or a few weeks is just fantastic. And actually get it deployed out into our business is something that we've not seen before. The benefit we have by using both CRM and PowerApps together is that actually the data that we collect through the app gets stored back into CRM seamlessly. When we search for a customer in PowerApps, actually it brings back the photo that we store in Dynamics straight away, so you know it's that customer that you're talking to. We're a new business, we're a startup, and we need all the help we can get, and actually without Microsoft we wouldn't be anywhere near where we wanted to be today from a technology standpoint without their help, so it's been a great experience.